Hey everyone, it's Roy from Financial Intake. Today, we're diving into Uber's Q3 2024 earnings. Uber has had an impressive quarter with growth across its core services and new initiatives in autonomous tech, airport shuttles, and more. Whether you're curious about Uber's financial performance or the company's direction, this video covers it all. We'll break down Uber's revenue highlights, key metrics, and outlook. So, if you're interested in understanding how Uber is scaling up while improving profitability, stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into it. Let's start with Uber's overall financial performance. Uber reported $41.0 billion in gross bookings, a 16% year-over-year increase, 20% in constant currency. Revenue reached $11.2 billion, up 20% from last year, while income from operations hit $1.1 billion, marking a new milestone with a 169% increase. Net income came in at $2.6 billion. Boosted by a $1.7 billion gain from equity investments. Adjusted EBITDA was $1.7 billion, up 55%, showing efficient cost management alongside revenue growth. CEO Dara Khosrowshahi highlighted Uber's profitable growth, crediting the success to its versatile platform. He noted Uber's progress in rider verification and autonomous vehicle partnerships, underscoring the company's vision of a safer, more innovative future in mobility. CFO Prashanth Mahendra-Rajah added that Uber is well-positioned for growth, maintaining a strong outlook with strategic investments and share repurchases. Moving on to the mobility segment, Uber's primary revenue driver, which brought in $21.0 billion in gross bookings. This represents a 17% year-over-year increase or 24% in constant currency. Revenue for mobility grew to $6.4 billion, marking a 26% increase as Uber continues to expand rideshare options and improve user safety. A significant highlight is the increase in Uber's mobility-adjusted EBITDA, which rose 31% year-over-year to $1.7 billion. This growth was largely due to increased trip volumes and improved cost efficiency. In Q3, Uber also launched several new features, including airport shuttles, enhanced rider verification, and expanded partnerships for autonomous rides in cities like Austin and Atlanta. This segment highlights Uber's focus on innovation, catering to more customer needs, and enhancing driver and rider experiences. In the delivery segment, gross bookings rose 16% year-over-year to $18.7 billion, driven by strong demand across Uber Eats and growing ad revenue. Revenue from delivery reached $3.5 billion, an 18% increase. The segment's adjusted EBITDA was $628 million, up 52% from last year, with a margin improvement to 3.4% of gross bookings. Uber continues to enhance its delivery ecosystem, introducing features like Uber Eats Lists and Bites, a short-form video feed for discovering popular dishes. Additionally, Uber expanded its merchant partnerships, adding well-known brands and local options, and introduced sustainable packaging options, showcasing Uber's commitment to diverse offerings and environmental responsibility. The growth in this segment indicates that Uber's investment in expanding and refining its delivery services is paying off. The freight segment, while smaller, also showed resilience, with $1.3 billion in revenue and 2% year-over-year growth. This segment saw advancements in AI-based solutions for freight management, such as Insights AI for real-time data analytics, helping shippers optimize logistics. Although freight reported an adjusted EBITDA loss of $19 million, Uber continues to expand its freight capabilities by launching new partnerships and refining logistics solutions. As Uber builds out freight's infrastructure, the focus remains on leveraging AI and automation to capture a larger share of the logistics market. Uber's cash flow this quarter was robust. Operating cash flow totaled $2.2 billion, while free cash flow reached $2.1 billion, a 133% year-over-year increase. Uber also returned value to shareholders by repurchasing $375 million of its stock and ended the quarter with a solid cash reserve of $9.1 billion. This cash flow strength gives Uber a strong foundation for future investments in technology and market expansion. For investors, Uber's balance between growth spending and shareholder returns underscores its commitment to sustainable growth. Uber has taken significant steps toward innovation this quarter, particularly in autonomous technology and new consumer offerings. Key initiatives include expanded autonomous partnerships. Uber announced partnerships with companies like Waymo and Cruise to provide autonomous ride-hailing in select cities. Uber One and membership growth. Uber's loyalty program reached over 25 million members, and it expanded its base with offerings like Uber One for students. Sustainable and convenient offerings. Uber launched eco-friendly options in Uber Green, allowing riders to choose electric vehicles in 40-plus cities, as well as features like Turo integration for renting cars within the Uber app. These initiatives reflect Uber's commitment to delivering cutting-edge solutions for both drivers and riders, setting a foundation for long-term growth. Looking ahead, Uber's Q4 2024 forecast indicates a steady trajectory, with projected gross bookings between $42.75 billion and $44.25 billion. Adjusted EBITDA is expected to reach $1.78 billion to $1.88 billion, a year-over-year growth of up to 47%. However, challenges persist, such as navigating global regulations, ensuring competitive pricing, and expanding in a cost-effective way. Uber's focus on autonomous technology and international growth shows its forward-thinking approach, but managing costs and addressing regulatory challenges will be essential. With strategic investments and partnerships, Uber is positioning itself to tackle these challenges head-on. In conclusion, Uber's Q3 2024 results show strong growth across segments, robust cash flow, and a strategic focus on future innovations. With investments in autonomous technology, expanding services, and a strong cash position, Uber is building a diversified platform for long-term success. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on Uber's journey. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more financial insights on top companies.